This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
This is Go MMT Radio और Go Trippers के लिए एक और नया शो. वैसे शो का नाम है बधाई हो और हम बधाई देते हुए आ रहे हैं on this very show to everyone who's joined say in the last 6 months or so, and MMT is the place that they have been waiting for to happen really in their lives. Today on my show I have someone who has been in the system for about 5 months now, Jeet Shah. He's in the corporate channel department and is based out of Ahmedabad. Jeet, it's so nice to have you on the show. A warm welcome.
So yeah, hi everyone. I'm glad to be on the show. And thanks a lot for having me here.
जीत 5 महीने हुए हैं MMT में. अच्छा लग रहा है, घर जैसा लग रहा है?
I think I can say that now I'm at a right place because that travel ka keeda inside me was, since childhood. So I used to travel a lot, and now I can say that I'm at a place where, that keeda is again pushing me to do more travel and do more travel related stuff, right?
जब हम छोटे थे, मैं 15-20 साल पहले की बात कर रही हूँ, तब ट्रैवल को लेके इतना बड़ा बिजनेस या इंडस्ट्री खड़ा होगा ये कभी किसी ने सोचा नहीं था. पर आज इतनी सारी ट्रैवल एजेंसीज आ गई हैं, इतना ये इंडस्ट्री ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म का ग्रो हो चुका है. इट्स लाइक इट्स ओवरटेकिंग सो मेनी अदर इंडस्ट्रीज और आज बाकायदा आप इसमें एक करियर बना सकते हो.
True, indeed. I can recall my days where, we used to go to railway counters, bus counter, and we have to stand in the lines. उसमें भी ऐसा mandatory नहीं है कि आपको टिकट मिलेगा या नहीं. So that is totally unsure, right? And now तो MMT has changed the entire scenario, I can say. Yes, I can totally agree to this part, and now definitely I am on my way to build my career on this particular industry. So yeah,
I mean, it is amazing to see how things can change within a span of 10 to 15 years. Older industries are disrupted and newer industries are born. Nobody's ever prepared for it, but we also love the fact that we are doing something that we really, really loved once upon a time, and now we can make it, our passion areas also at MMT. Jeet, तो आप corporate channel का मतलब आपका काम क्या है?
So for the introduction, I would say that I'm a part of MyBiz channel, right? And if I talk about MyBiz, so MyBiz has changed the entire scenario of travel. And, so our team has built such a wonderful platform where a corporate can manage their travel, because corporate में क्या होता है, work related travel होता है, correct? So they are traveling on a very frequent basis, right? Their sales guys are traveling, their operations guys are traveling. So, all these guys are like on the go. उनको कहीं ना कहीं travel करना ही होता है on a frequent basis. They don't have the whole and soul 360-degree platform where they can, not only book the travel, but also can manage the entire travel related stuff, right? अभी इसमें क्या होता है कि corporate is spending more than, 1 CR, 2 CR on their travel, right? Big corporates I'm talking about. And in fact, now SMEs as well. So I can see that travel is expanding. Corporate is actually making a lot of expenditure on their travel, right?
Yeah.
तो अभी उन लोगों को इस सिस्टम की काफी ज्यादा जरूरत है. So that's what we are doing it. So we are helping corporate to set up this particular channel for them so that they can not only book the travel, but also they can manage the travel related activities, which is invoicing हो गया, फिर उनका HR related travel policies का onboarding हो गया, right? So that they can, they don't have to, guide employee every time कि आपका budget ये है और आप इसमें book कीजिए, but instead of that, we are giving that tool which is giving the every other information related to their travel policy. So that's it's a completely a game changer platform, I would say.
And there's a lot that you've been learning now in the past 5 months, क्योंकि MMT के processes भी उतने ही well organized हैं और हमेशा अपग्रेड करते रहता है.
Previously, I was a part of fintech, right? Fintech is still in the country, right? They have just recently came into the country, so they are still building the process. But if I talk about travel also, online travel also came recently. But what Make My Trip has done different is they actually built their processes so amazingly that even people like us, I am not sitting in the head office to get the things done, right?
Yeah.
But now the processes are so aligned that I know how to get the work done. Process are pretty much well aligned in a Make My Trip that, even people like us are not facing any sort of challenges to get the things done.
That is good. Tell me, when it comes to technology and how it has changed travel, what has been your experience?
The experiences, I would say, like totally game changing. Even before 2014, we used to search, right, the online travel, that how can we travel to all these places. There was no trust. It is showing on the platform, but what technology has done with everyone here is to build a trust. So now if I want to travel to any such country, right? So now I can trust on Make My Trip to book my travel. And I am not only booking the travel, but I know that I'm getting the visa support. I'm getting my Forex card. MMT has built that level of technology that हम लोग अभी completely dependent है इस particular tool पे with trust. Right? कि अगर हम लोग कहीं फंसते भी हैं, so we are assured that Make My Trip is there to help us out. And similar thing, we pass it on to our corporate as well. And any such experiences that corporate face, travel is like totally uncertain, right? So you never know कि कौन सी situation आ जाती है, right? And now you have to figure it out. But all because of the platform, the technology we have put it into our system, the things are quite easily solvable, and that is actually building a trust for not only for us but for every customer, not only corporate but every customer who is using Make My Trip. So technology has built trust here. Actually, and that's what we call it to a corporate. We are not a travel platform. We are a technological based travel platform. Yes,
absolutely. Everything is about technology, and it is fast changing the dynamics of every industry. तो ट्रैवल के बारे में जीत आप बता रहे थे कि बचपन से काफी ट्रैवल किया है, आपको हमेशा से पसंद था, तो टू फाइंड योरसेल्फ इन एन इंडस्ट्री दैट यू रियली लव टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ एंड ऑलवेज एंजॉय डूइंग इट, इट्स लाइक डूइंग व्हाट यू लव, एंड सो इट नेवर फील्स लाइक a job really. आपके लिए भी ऐसा ही है?
That's true. Now even my family says that you are at a place where you actually wanted to be. You should be. So yeah, it is giving me actually live, I would say, guidance about if I travel to this particular place, which place I can choose and which place comes into my budget, right? Every day is a kind of different learning stuff. It is giving me a lot of new challenges, and that challenges are actually where I wanted to be in.
अब जब ट्रैवल की बात आ ही रही है तो काफी सारी जगहों पर आपने अभी तक ट्रैवल किया होगा, पर्सनल फ्रंट पे भी और प्रोफेशनल फ्रंट पे भी. पिछले 2-3 साल में आप कहीं गए हो, कोई एक ऐसी मेमोरी के बारे में बताइए जो कि स्टैंड आउट करता है आपके लिए.
So I belong to Rajasthan. I have done my masters in Bangalore. So from Bangalore I started my job, right? So I started from Bangalore, then I moved to Mumbai, then I moved to Delhi से Bangalore, Delhi से Chandigarh से वापस Bangalore. So I have been traveling to different places for quite some time, and every place it's a different experience. Traveling here with Make My Trip, I would say it's always a fruitful, because गुड़गांव आने के बाद I meet lot of people. Then उसके बाद मुझे एक बार मुंबई जाने का भी opportunity मिला to attend our quarterly meets. Again, I'm meeting with different leaderships at the same time. So I would say that now travel has become a part of my life, where and majorly a part of my work life, where I have been going to places to make different connects, and it is actually helping me to build my network.
Well, it's something to be really proud of. Pretty much coming to the close of this session today, or should I say the show. It's time for the rapid fire round. Are you ready for this, Jeet?
Sure, of course.
The rapid fire round.
If I have to ask you a real-time superhero, someone you really look up to, then who is that in your life?
For me, the superhero will be, so since I am a part of music scene, so I really admire King the most. So King is the guy whom I really look up to, because he's coming from the very slum area and now has become actually a star here, right? So the journey is quite amazing.
Correct. You did mention you are also a music producer. तो एक तरफ travel और दूसरी तरफ म्यूजिक भी प्रोड्यूस करते हो. किस किस्म का म्यूजिक प्रोड्यूस करते हो?
So I'm mostly into creating electronics music, and now we are working on building a scene where we can pick all these classical music stuff and make it, blend it with the Western music. So we can create a fusion. In India, we have a lot of unidentified music. Our culture is so pretty strong that you can pick any stuff and build something which can become a masterpiece. and people have done that.
Yeah.
So that's what we are. Even I am also, working on the similar piece.
Wow. Other than producing music, do you sing? Do you play instruments?
I do play keyboard, and I'm a DJ as well. So I have my own setup at home, and I make mixes.
My. A travel professional by day, travel and tech professional is what I can say. A music producer, DJ, instrumentalist by night. That's quite something.
Yes, because I belong to a family of musicians, so I have to follow that.
Oh, that's
it's in
good.
my roots.
Carrying the legacy forward.
Yes.
Tell me, what's your comfort food?
My comfort food is दाल चावल. But since अब तो माँ के हाथ का मिलता नहीं है because घर जाना कम होता है, so मम्मी को यही बुला के बनवाना पड़ता है.
आपकी बकेट लिस्ट में 2 ऐसी जगह बताइए जो आपने पिछले 2 से 3 साल में टिक ऑफ कर चुके हैं.
That I wanted to attend this artist which I was being I have been following this artist for since my childhood. I wanted to attend Tiesto so bad. He's the legend of electronic music. Yes, couple of years back I attended him, and it was totally a goosebumps. The another bucket list was diving, right? Because I recently learned swimming, right? I was not a professional swimmer before that. But then I took a classes and I've always wanted to dive it. So I went to Rishikesh and I went to one stiff platform where I actually dived, and that was a next level experience.
Nice. What is your favorite beverage? Tea, coffee, smoothies? What is it?
I like अदरक वाली चाय. It's like दिन बनाने के लिए वही चाहिए. अधूरा लगता है उसके बिना दिन.
जी. अब बकेट लिस्ट में अगले 3 साल में कहाँ जाना है आपको? 2 ऐसी जगहों का नाम बताइए.
So I want to go to Amsterdam. There is one festival called Tomorrowland.
Yeah.
So that's what I have already started planning for this, and in next couple of years you will definitely find me there. Then I want to do skydiving so bad. Right. I wanted to do it in India, but then I realized that India में अभी इतना established नहीं है. But then I'll definitely go to Dubai and do that.
And your last question is, what is it that stands out at MMT?
The best part I like about MMT in this last 6 months, what I felt was the amazing leadership that I'm working with, right? Everyone is so approachable. In fact, if I talk about my direct manager whom I report to, Shobit, right? If even a small problem that comes up, I've never hesitated to, talk to him about it. And I never felt similar way in my other previous experiences. MMT is stand out all because of the people that they're working. Because a good workforce make a great company, right?
Yeah.
That's what we say. That's why the MMT has become a legacy for travel, because the people who all are working there, I would really appreciate them that they are so approachable and so helping.
Good. All the very best. बड़ी बड़ी ऊंचाइयों तक जरूर पहुंचिएगा. मुझे लगता है MMT में आपको वो मौके जरूर मिलेंगे. तो मेहनत कीजिए खूब सारा and enjoy every single day at MMT. जीत शाह on the show with me today. बधाई हो है शो का नाम. फिर एक बार, एक आखिरी बार जीत आपको बधाई हो.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
This is your host Annie. You've been listening to Go MMT Radio. I'll be catching you in a day or two on my next show right here on your favorite radio station. Your host Annie signing off. Bye-bye.
Hi trippers, this is Sunil Grover and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Chaka to bate.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.